welcome back to my channel. I am Vichamdra for all those who are new here, and I make videos on travel, lifestyle, beauty and so much more. So please give it a moment and hit that subscribe button right here. Follow me on Instagram and let's get started. So for all of the videos and always I have thought of what to do, what not to do. This video was बहुत ईजी है कि मतलब ये वीडियो तो हमें करना ही करना है एंड ये वीडियो हमें तब से करना था जब से हमने यूट्यूब स्टार्ट किया था. This is something that I do at the start of every year and this is something that I wanted to do. So here I have my planner with me. This is a planner from Simba Lifestyle and I have dedicated a video to it on my Instagram. So if you've not watched it, please go ahead and watch it and let's begin this. This video is specifically for 21 things that I would like to do before 2021 ends, and this I've been writing down since the last 4 years. ये मैंने शेरी के वीडियोस पे देखा था जहाँ पे she does like 16 things she wants to do in 2016, 17 things in 2017 and so on. And I think Sejal also does this. 21 things I want to do before 2021 ends. So intro काफी लंबा हो चुका है. Let's begin with the video. So the first thing that I want to do is eat as less chocolates as I can. Probably if I can go off chocolates, बहुत बड़ा मतलब बहुत अच्छी बात होगी. But I am super addicted to chocolates and that is the reason I want to go off chocolates because I don't like being addicted to anything. So if I can go off chocolates, that will be so good. The second thing that I want to do is try and switch to other forms of milk. So the normal dairy milk, it makes my skin break out like crazy. I've been trying almond milk and soya milk and all of those things because I can't live without milk. मतलब मैं उन बच्चों में से हूँ जो दूध के लिए कभी नाटक नहीं कर रहा है. So yeah, I can't live without milk. So that is something that I keep thinking कि मैं क्या करूँ because dairy, like the normal milk, it does break me out very badly. So I've been trying to switch to other milks. If I am happy, you'll see a review on Instagram. The third thing that I want to do is take a trip abroad. मुझे traveling करना बहुत पसंद है. That is not a surprise to anyone. And I did a lot of trips in 2019, but 2020 ऐसा हुआ कि we could not do a lot of trips. So I hope we do some trip and at least take one trip abroad. I really want to go to so many places, so at least start one thing off that list. The fourth thing that I want to do is do much more quality work at office. So I've been doing a lot of work that I like in the last 3-4 months and I want to continue doing that. The work that I like and the work that I'm good at. Play by my strength, understand things, learn new things and grow in office. So that is something that I want to do before 2021 ends. This thing I did last year also and I want to do it again. I want to do 200 days of workout. There are 365 days in a year, 200 days is good enough according to me at least for the lazy person that I am, and I managed to do about 150 days of workout in 2020, so I want to switch it up and make it 200 days of workout in 2021. Okay, I want to host a dinner party. So this is the 7th thing that on my list, and I have hosted dinner parties with my mom and my sister being around, but I've never hosted a dinner party all by myself. So if I'm able to do that, that would be wow. So I want to host a dinner party all by myself. Cook, probably order some things, but yeah, host some people. Okay, next I want to have a year-end balance of X amount. I don't want to say that amount, but I want to have a year-end balance of that amount because I feel a target in your mind helps you control your expenditure and a year, like if you have like a target in your mind, it helps you control your expenditure to a certain set. So yep, I have that X amount and I want to save that much. The next thing is learn a form of art. मैंने 2020 में भी कोशिश करी थी, but it did not happen. So I want to learn a form of art. Probably learn a little bit of painting or sketching or something. Just learn a form of art. Origami भी चलेगा, but I know some of those things are really difficult. So I want to learn something. Learn a form of sport. I started with swimming last year, but COVID के चक्कर में I left and I don't know how to swim. So probably if I get an opportunity 2021 में, I'll go back to swimming or I want to enhance my badminton skills. So yeah, something in stock. Oh, I started learning TT also in 2020. So probably if I get a chance, I actually started learning TT in 2019. Didn't get interest, but सब लोग ऑफिस में TT खेलते थे, तो by default 2020 में मैं सीखना स्टार्ट कर दी थी कि अब बता दो कैसे खेलना है, तो हम खेलना स्टार्ट कर देंगे. But yeah, probably if I get a chance, I'll enhance the skills there also. Read 15 good novels. This is something that I started in 2020 and I stuck by it, and I'm so proud of myself. So all of these novels are not necessarily fiction and not necessarily stories. There was a genre that I used to have. I used to stick by love stories or very fictional, mysterious stories. But I have increased that genre. But I think that is my target, to read 15 good novels which can help me grow personally. Reduce screen time. This is the next thing that I want to do. Okay, so my screen time daily is currently 4 hours and 49 minutes, if you can see. Yep, so it's somewhere between 4 to 5 hours daily, and I really want to reduce it to between 3 to 4 hours and not 4 to 5 hours. So that is one target that I have. Next is be able to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. For me personally, to get 8 hours of sleep is a target. Though I like sleeping in late, but that should not ideally be the case, at least for me, and because I have office early. So probably sleep 8 hours properly, sleep at the right time so that I can wake up at the right time for my office. Start meditating. This is the next thing that I want to do, and I have already started meditating. Like I've tried at least, and I want to learn it from someone and actually start meditating really nicely, consistently, so that it helps me personally and it helps me professionally, and it helps me spiritually as well. The next thing I want is to reduce my dark circles. I have no idea, but if you can see, last 2 months say my dark circles are all over the place, and those were not the case before, but now it is the case, and I really don't want to use a concealer on them all the time. So I want to be sitting here normally without a concealer. Like right now also I'm sitting without a concealer, but I don't want that darkness on my eyes. So probably reduce dark circles is something that I want to do before 2021 ends. Okay, next is make my happy place. This is something that is super important to me. I have always dreamt of having like a cozy little setup and a cozy little place which is mine, which I can call mine, which I have decorated by myself, and where I go and I receive that calmness like instantly. So yeah, I had that in 2019. 2020 में बहुत कुछ change हो गया, and I really want that to happen in 2021. I don't know what it will be probably, but if I create like that cozy setup and that something, I will try and share something on Instagram. So if you're not following me, follow me on Instagram and you'll see a lot of lifestyle updates there. Okay, next thing is hit 35k on Instagram. We hit 20k I think in 2019, और वहाँ से अभी तक हम 26,000 पे ही हैं. तो I really want to bring quality content to everyone and just help grow Instagram. The next thing obviously has to be a target for YouTube. So I really want that we hit 1500 subscribers before 2021 ends, and I'm able to upload. I think I'll take a long break in between, but I'm able to upload at least like a video per Sunday and help the YouTube algorithm to find me and then grow. Okay, the next thing is another a social media target, that I want to have a long-term collaboration with at least 2 brands, and I have certain brands in my mind, and I have worked on them on barter basis. I have worked on them for paid basis, but somehow it's not materializing into a long-term collaboration. So I really want to have long-term collaboration with certain brands that I believe in and that I want to endorse and bring genuine reviews to you all. The next thing is again a very personal goal that I've set for myself, is that I want to reduce the anxiety's power that it has over my brain. So I'm someone that deals from anxiety every now and then, and anxiety takes over my brain and I literally lose sleep, I get dark circles and all of those things happen. But I really want, and I think meditation will help in that, but I really want to reduce the power of anxiety over my brain. That is something that I have struggled from, and that is something that I really want to do. So I hope 2021 is that year. Okay, and the last one is that I want to be someone's reason to smile. I don't know if that makes sense, or if it should be included in 21 things that I want to do, but I know for a fact that anytime, any day, if someone tells you that, hey, listening to your videos or seeing you or just seeing your smile, got a smile on my face, that brings the utmost joy in me. That brings the utmost joy in me. So I thought that it should be included in my 21 list, and I want to be someone's reason to smile. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Sorry, it's a long and a chatty one. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please hit that subscribe button right here. Leave down in the comments कि आप लोग और क्या videos देखना चाहते हैं इस साल, and Happy New Year!